What is going on, my manifesting family? Today's video, we're going to be going over the law of assumption and how you can incorporate it into your life for a game changer in being able to manifest the things that you want. So without further ado, let's get right into this. I first want to give you a quick understanding of what the law of assumption is. It's that our assumptions that we have for life, both positively and negatively, have a major impact in changing the reality that we see around us. It ultimately is the idea that the thoughts and beliefs that we have about how our life is and how we're able to manifest or have things come to our life easy, or the hardships or anything that we're having, is going to show up time and time again until we switch to whatever desired outcome we want. There is no right or wrong here when it comes to the law of assumption. It just is ultimately, are you happy with where you're at? And if not, how do we get you from there to where you want to be? And that's what this video is going to help you do. So the first step of utilizing the law of assumption is to first begin to understand the negative thoughts and beliefs that we're having when it comes to manifesting. When we're trying to solve anything or change something new about our thought process or anything in life, we have to start at ground zero, and that is to recognize and understanding our part and role in playing in those negative beliefs and thoughts that we're having. A lot of the times when we are at this stage, we don't really think that there's anything that we're doing. We feel like we're doing everything right. We're consciously thinking the right things. We're taking the actions. We're trying to change it, but like nothing is working. And the reason why this is not working for you is that we haven't uncovered the reasons and the limiting beliefs that is stopping us from there. So how do we do that? The first step of doing this is that I want you to get a piece of paper. And when you have your piece of paper, you want to, on the left-hand side, begin to write down any limiting beliefs that you have about yourself. I want you to go and flow and write down every little limiting belief that you have about yourself. Just go crazy. I don't want you to hold back. Continue to write until you cannot write anymore. Once you have that written down, I then want you to go ahead and select something specific to you that you've been trying to manifest that has not come into your life. When you selected that manifestation, I then want you to go ahead and do the same thing, but in pertaining to your ability to be able to manifest it. I want you to write down everything like, I don't deserve this manifestation. I don't deserve to have the money in my life that I want. I don't deserve to have the lover that I'm thinking of. It is not for me. The universe is against me. Just go dump. This is your time to just free write and write down all of the limiting and negative self-doubt talking that you have towards yourself on this piece of paper. Once you have both of those done, on the right-hand side, I now want you to look at it from a growth mindset. And what it is to have a growth mindset is to look at the opposite of what that particular limiting belief is. So for example, if I was to say on mine that I am not going to be able to attract the money that I want, on the right-hand side, I can write, I can attract the money that I want. I just need to give myself a little bit more time and trust the universe that it is going to happen for me. You see how it's a little bit different here? I want you to take the time to write down the new beliefs that you want to have in regards to whatever you have written down for the limiting belief. Once you have worked through that, you then want to begin to visualize according to that new version of you. So what we are doing here with the law of assumption is changing the way that we assume our life is always going to be to the ones that we want. And this is why this is so crucial for you to start here, to begin to understand and break down all those limiting beliefs and replacing those with the new beliefs that you have. And I can guarantee you, the more that you do this, it is going to drastically change your reality around you. You are going to see your reality completely shift. It is such a powerful tool for you that you can use when it comes to manifesting. So the ultimate idea behind using the law of assumption is to change the assumptions that you are having towards yourself. Visualize yourself in that new environment, in that new body or new thought process or way of living, and to begin to live your life in according to that. It doesn't mean that you have to drastically go out and start doing some crazy stuff that are, to get yourself to believe that. But what it means is that you are feeling. Manifesting is all about your beliefs, your thoughts, and your feeling of what is possible for you. That at its core is what manifesting is. You have to take action. You have to put your step forward and make sure that you're doing the things that you need to do, but you have have to believe that it's possible for you, and you need to change the way that you think in order for you to see the things that you want come into your life. So I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button and check out this video, which is going to help you even more with manifesting.